Okay, my apologies, but I really wasn't planning on uploading any videos. And I know this is seeming to be kind of repetitive, but I keep running into the same situation. I'm not running out of ideas. It's just that I'm going to be going, I guess you could say, antique shopping, and I'm going to be looking for specifically brand name and non-name brand name lighters, especially those that are unique. Keeping in mind that even the ones that are non-name brand name, oh my goodness, still have some intrinsic value in them. So whether they're useful or not, they're still collectible.